Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today, we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and her family at the baby's gender reveal party. First, I draw Peppa, her eyes, her nose, the shape of her head, her mouth, and a circle for her cheek, her ears. I draw her body and her arms, legs, her tail. Now I draw Mommy Pig's eyes, nose, the shape of her head, a smiling mouth, a circle for his cheek, ears. I draw her body with big tummy, arms and legs, Now let's draw George Pig's his eyes, his nose, shape of his head, a circle for his cheek, his mouth, ears, his body, arms and legs. I draw Daddy Pig's eyes and his glasses, his nose, and the shape of his head, a circle for his cheek, his mouth. I draw some small lines like this. It's going to be his beard, the ears, his large rounded body, arm, tail. He's holding a very pretty balloon in her hand. I draw a bow, hearts on the balloon. Wow, how exciting! What do you think? Peppa will have a little sister or a little brother. We'll know very soon when we start coloring. I draw a line here for the floor. Now let's color this beautiful drawing. Pink for skin. Purple, red, orange, red for dress, pink, pink for skin, purple, red, orange, pink for skin, purple, blue, pink for skin, purple, light blue, and now for the moment of truth, I'm going to use pink and red for the balloon, because Peppa and George are going to have a little sister. Yay! Congratulations, piggies! Finally, I colored the grass green. And finally, he added a little orange to the background. Great job, my little artists! You are doing amazing! I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.